Spring rain has fallen all over the country today. Most of the rain stopped by the afternoon in the central parts of the country. However, more rain will continue in some southern parts of the country and Jeju Island until tonight. Along with the rain, strong winds will hit Jeju Island and the south coast. A strong wind warning has been issued for the coast of Jeollanam-do Province, with gusts of more than 20 meters per second until tonight. Jeju Island will be windy until early tomorrow morning. It will be difficult to see a clear sky tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, the view will be stuffy as thick fog flows into the mountainous areas of Gangwon-do Province. Please drive safely in the morning in this area. It will be cloudy across the whole country with some raindrops falling in Jeolla-do and Chungcheongnam-do provinces. The weather will be similar to the average for the time of the year. Tomorrow, Seoul, Daejeon, and Daegu will start off at 10 degrees. Daily highs will move up to 20 in Seoul and Daejeon, Chuncheon and Daegu, 18 degrees Celsius. During the upcoming weekend, we'll see some mild spring weather. That's all for Korea. Here are the weather conditions around the world.